I believe the West Michigan business community and manufacturing community is unique in a few ways. One of those is our commitment to collaboration.
We have paint shops, we have platers, we have machine houses. We have all the support around us that we need.
So whether we are non-competitors or competitors, we have a drive to want to see the community grow, to see the community prosper, and we think about it long term.
So I would describe the Manufacturers Council as a collection of manufacturers in the area that have collaborated to form a group of peers that network together, discuss problems together.
The idea is to have a network of people that you can leverage to share best practices, to learn from one another, understand the macroeconomics of the community, and to more so help grow manufacturing and advance the initiatives of manufacturing here in Grand Rapids.
We have about 40 manufacturing companies as part of our council, and those companies range from very large, the steel cases and the Herman Miller type companies, to small 50-person manufacturing companies. And everyone can benefit from it. Everyone comes to the table with ideas.
At a high level, we have several initiatives. One is just advancing the image and perception and knowledge of manufacturing in the area.
Talent is also an important part of the Manufacturers Council, bringing it into the community and having it available for our businesses.
We go out to the high schools and have students see what we do, see the automation that we employ, see how they might fit into that.
Every year we go on at least 3 or 4 best practices tours.
The benefit of going out and seeing other people's facility is that you're able to really think about your own facility through a different set of eyes. You're able to look at what they do and then take those ideas back and think about how they might apply to you.
Nobody knows your problems as well as your competitor. So while you're not going to give away trade secrets, you certainly can learn from a friendly, collaborative discussion.
We just preach transparency. And we talk about it. We have a unique climate here in West Michigan where we are very open and we're very collaborative. But we do run into those situations where the best practices we may share have some trade secrets or have something special that an organization is willing to share with non-competitors, but not necessarily competitors. Most of the information we're sharing is less of a trade secret or intellectual property, and competitors typically will come together and be willing to be in the same room together to share what they do, how they've done it, and the impact in order to better the community.